What's up, fellow realtors and tech junkies? And today I just don't have the excitement. Hurricane Ian blew through my hometown a couple days ago, and I am standing inside what's left of RTG Studios and my business partner's real estate building, where he houses his large real estate team, and the building did not fare well. You can see we have a lot of damage, and on the floor back here, ceiling tiles, everything come through. Everything fell through the ceiling, and I'm gonna flip this around and give you a tour of the studio. All right, so this is RTG Studios after Hurricane Ian paid a visit here in Punta Gorda, Florida. I had envisioned doing a studio walkthrough and was getting ready to plan that video and create it. So this is not the studio tour that I had anticipated, but I felt you might be interested in it nonetheless. So I already got my GVM main key light off here, my Panasonic GH85 camera off. Those actually were here for the storm, and then I had a fill light over there, one of the cheap ones on Amazon. I hope they're going to be salvageable. They look like they're in pretty good shape. Had my Deity shotgun mic here that I actually took with me before the storm, and my Zoom H6 recorder I actually took with me too. So I got a lot of the stuff out of here. Surprisingly enough, that TV is almost completely untouched. I don't see a drop of water on it. I don't see any scratches. It looks like it was completely untouched. So it's probably in good shape, along with the Edison lights in the corner. And it's kind of a all-out mess in here. I'm gonna do what I can to save this table. Those of you that follow the channel know that I created this table, so I'm hoping I can save it. It is handmade, hand-built. And we got some stuff over here. I had taken the pod mics with me that are over there off of the road. Boom arms. And I had a Zion Weeble gimbal up there on the top of that piece of furniture that looked like it survived pretty well too. We'll just have to see, get these things dried out, and hopefully they will be okay. Anyway, just kind of rough shape in here. Let's see the feeling. The ceiling came down in a lot of places. And actually, come over here and look up. That line right there is actually daylight. We're looking at the sky up there, so the whole center piece of the roof was peeled off. And that's what did most of this damage. This is a decorative pitched roof around the outside with barrel tile, and then flat roof on the top with the air conditioners mounted up there. And my business partner that owns the building has a good idea of construction and knows how things like that work, and that is never good to have a flat roof, and the AC's on the roof especially is not a good idea. So he is going to rebuild those roofs and build them to regular pitch metal AC on the ground. Best way to do it. So I appreciate the time that I've been able to use this studio. My business partner has since taken over this entire building except for this unit, and he's permitted me to continue to operate the studio in here, which I greatly appreciate. But with all of this, I'm gonna need to rebuild anyway, so I just feel that it's best that I find a new place to relocate this and give him this room, because he definitely needs it for his real estate team. And like I said, I really appreciate the time that he's afforded me to camp out in here and use this space. But we're gonna be rebuilding this and have a studio tour of RTG Studios 2.0, hopefully sooner than later. We'll see. Gotta figure out where it's all going first. All right, so that's it for the studio tour of RTG Studios 1.0. Not the studio tour I anticipated bringing to you guys, but nonetheless, I thought you'd be interested in it. My hometown took a direct hit from Hurricane Ian, and actually not even quite direct. We were just a little bit outside of the eye, so the cities that we have our offices in and our homes in, Punta Gorda, Port Charlotte, Northport, were all in the outer eye wall, and it was 10 hours of non-stop crazy wind and chaos. Never got a break by the eye moving over like some people do, although we still came out better than a lot. Some of our agents have lost their entire houses, their entire lives. I was blessed that my family was safe. The people we were with are safe. Our houses came through really with minimal damage, and the Lord just answered our prayers. We were praying strong that, you know, the memories in our house and the stuff in our house, because even what's here in the studio doesn't compare to the equipment and everything that's back at home. So it was a real one, but I'm glad we're all safe. So those of you that have been through it, I'm proud of you for getting through it. If you need help, reach out. We have an awesome team over here that will help you out. I'm more than willing to help you out. Anyway, wouldn't be in a Realty Tech Guru video if I didn't say, have fun and explore the technology.